Hello, first graders. It is still Monday, and today we are going to begin working on some grammar. We only can become good writers when we know how to write good sentences. So today we're going to talk about something we call a sentence. Everybody say the word sentence. Excellent. A sentence is what we write when we start our sentence with a capital letter and we end it with a period. A sentence is the complete thought. So we have letters. Our letters we're learning make words, and our words make sentences, and our sentences make stories. So today we're going to talk about a sentence. And I have my friend here, Mr. Yellow Period, and he's telling us that a sentence is a complete sentence, has a subject and a predicate with a verb. Wow, you're thinking, Miss Gates, those are big words. I'm only in first grade. Well, I'm going to help you out here. A sentence has a person or an animal or something, and that person or animal does something. If we don't have the complete thought, if we don't know what's going on, it is not a complete sentence. So if I just said, the boy, you would probably be thinking, the boy what? If I just said, kicks, you'd probably be thinking, who kicks? We have to have a complete thought when we write a good sentence. If we don't have a complete thought, we call that a fragment. And now he's blue, he's sad because a fragment is incomplete. Something's missing, and the people reading your sentence don't know what's going on. So we're going to start very simple this week talking about sentences. And I want you to do your very best when we're doing this. Each week we'll learn a little bit more about sentences so that we can become excellent writers. So we're going to start today in this workbook. This is our Being a Writer Student Skill Practice Book. If you don't have this in front of you, stop the video and go get it. Welcome back. Now that you have your book, open to page 1. Ms. Gates is also going to page 1. So on page 1, you should see a boy and a puppy, and he looks like he's eating some cereal. And that tells you are on the right page. So Ms. Gates is going to walk you through one of the questions on the top part, one of the questions on the next part, and then I allow you to try some all by yourself. So let's look at this first part. It says, read the sentences. Circle the words that tell who the sentences are about. So we want to know who we are talking about. The person, the animal. So number 1 says, Jim wakes up early. Who wakes up early? Very good. Jim wakes up early. We circle the who. Pause the video now and do the next 2 all by yourself. If you need help, someone can help you read them, but I want you to be circling the who all by yourself. Let's look at the next part. The next part says, read the sentences. Draw a line under the words that tell what happens. So this is the second part of our sentence. We have the who, now we have the what. We have a who, we have a person, we have an animal, and they have to do something, or we wouldn't know what they are talking about. So let's read number 1. The puppy cries. What does the puppy do? You are correct. He or she cries. So we underline cries. Let's do another one together. Jim picks her up. What does Jim do? He picks her up. Very good. And I want you to try number 3 all by yourself. Alrighty, I'm going to erase. Actually, I'm going to leave it just like that. At the bottom, there's a picture. And this is your challenge for today. I want you to do your best to write a complete sentence that tells about the picture. Tell Miss Gates what the boy is doing. The boy is. I want you to stretch out your words and sound them out the best you can. When you are finished with this workbook page, take a picture and send it to Miss Gates. Good luck, and I can't wait to see your hard work.